Welcome to my channel. This is Adnan Ismail. This video is all about understanding the event, alert, and incident process flow. In this video, I will walk you through the process flow of how events, alerts, and incident work in IT monitoring solution. Explain in simple terms. To set the stage, let's assume you already have a monitoring solution in place. There are many in market. For this video's sake, we take ServiceNow solution as it blends with AI automation, keeping an eye on your infrastructure. For this example, we'll focus on a single server being monitored according to your organization threshold policies. Here is a real-world example. Imagine ServiceNow notices something unusual. The disk space on your server is growing abnormally fast. Here's how the process unfolds. Disk space utilization below 60%, well below organization threshold policy, which is considered as normal operation. No action needed. ServiceNow simply records the event and continues monitoring. Disk space utilization reaches 70%, and information or warning threshold as per organization policy. ServiceNow records the event and flags it as a substantial state change, sends an alert to the relevant team as heads ups or informational notice. Since there is no immediate business impact, the team consults the event management runbook as per event management plan, takes appropriate action like increasing disk space, investigates, document everything, for example, include RCA. Now, disk space utilization reaches 75%, and escalation or high threshold as per organization policy. At 75%, the system repeats the process but upgrades the alert to escalation or high. Now, the disk space utilization reaches 80%. It is now critical threshold as per organization policy. This could lead to server outages or business disruptions. The event is now classified as an incident. The incident management playbook kicks in as per organization incident management plan. Teams now follow the formal incident response process. Remember, every organization sets their own threshold values and categories based on their needs. Not all alerts become incidents. It depends on impact. Proper documentation is crucial at every stage. For example, root cause analysis and lesson learned. For a deeper dive, stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I'll break down alert, event, and incident management best practices, the plans, playbooks, events versus incident handling, problem management in the business continuity management series. Stay tuned, and yes, like and subscribe my channel. It boosts the motivation and a humble way to appreciate the efforts. Thank you very much.